Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. I love kangaroo paws. They are just a wonderful drought-tolerant plant, hummingbird-friendly plant, and a great cut flower. And they come in red and orange and pink and various shades of yellow, kind of yellow-green. And they are just a fabulous, fabulous plant. Really tough, but they hate heavy, bad soil. So if you're going to dig them up, because they're struggling like this particular project, then I always recommend doing a little dividing. And so sometimes they're root bound in a pot, sometimes they're just ugly in the ground. Here are the basic steps to divide these so you can propagate them, hand some out to your friends. And also by doing this, you're going to refresh the plant and it's going to give you some more bloom. So basically you dig it up or take it out of the pot, you shear the green off, although honestly, you don't even have to do that. And you just take a shovel and drive it in and break it into, I'd say fourths. If you have a plant that's really healthy like this, divide it like we're showing you here in this video into fourths. And then once you get them into those fourths, you can either take those and put them into a separate pot, which actually is the most preferred way, is to put them into some really good, well-draining potting soil, because that way the roots have a chance to kind of recover from the trauma of being divided. So here you can see we're putting in some really good potting soil to get it really nice and healthy before you go put it in the ground. So I always like to divide them up, put them into pots, nurse them in the pots for, say, another month so the roots can recover, and then we start putting them in the ground in all kinds of really fun places. Best time to do this, by the way, late winter, early spring, depending on where you live, after the frost is done, but before they're blooming. If they are blooming, I would recommend you either wait until they're done blooming, because right now the roots are putting out all the energy into blooming them, or just cut off those blooms and just kind of give up on the blooms for that particular season. But again, cut them up into fours, put them in pots with a really good soil, and then just kind of nurse them in those pots and then put them in the ground. Well, that's all for now. Don't forget to hit the like and hype and subscribe and leave a comment if you've had luck with these kangaroo paws. And good luck with your landscape project. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.